is the Prd presentation of our product, and I will give you a brief description of our project and tell you what is our product. And in fact, the museum is a bridge between the past and the present and the future. But offline museums are cold nowadays for many reasons, so we decided to launch an app called Online Museum so that people can enjoy treasures from all over the world and feel the changes of world history and culture without leaving their home. And our customer segments are mainly high-income group officers and researchers and students in school. And in fact, the income level affects the willingness to visit the museum, but high-income officers might not have time to go to the offline museums. And for researchers and students in school, the number of students is in this major is increasing around 2% per year. So this online app seems necessary for them to learn. And about the solution, although there are several existing solutions like VR and AR techniques to support some exhibitions in museums, but there are still several disadvantages like heavy and chunky equipment. So about our app, we provide chat box and public comment under each exhibit in the app and offer interactive experience with artifacts as well as other users.
We will start automatically have 4 functions. The first is welcome and login page. The second is home page. The third is order information page, and the last one is confirm page. For the welcome and login page, our customer can register a new account or log in with the user ID and password. For the home page, our customer search the country and select the museum he or she will visit. Or after choosing their location, users can make an appointment for the visit time and confirm the visit information. On the order information page, our customer can choose the number of tickets to purchase and can see the price of the tickets. The user selects the number of tickets to be booked. Payment can be made in a variety of ways. The last one is booking has confirmed. Also, the email registering the booking details and the confirmation receipt can be sent to the users. The second is this is a product roadmap. The minimum product feature including the following functions. For the version 1 features, we add the pick the most popular artwork and pick the latest artwork comment area and the checkbox. For the version 2, we add the function subscribe to an artistic invitation link. For the long-term plan, we can leave visiting the museum with friends. This allows users to visit the museum and appreciate with their friends. They can look at the scene painting and chat with each other.
Oh, thanks, Yidan. So now let's have a look at our product features. Well, we are going to have 3 kinds of features. They're booking, visiting, and sharing. And we allow our users to log in our applications and then book a museum on a certain date and then pay for it. Well, when it comes to visiting, they are allowed to browse different collections, read the descriptions, and even subscribe to their favorite artists so as to check their work on a regular basis. And we also encourage our users to share the application with their friends. I mean, they can invite their friends to appreciate the masterpieces together, and they can even comment and chat with other users in the chat box. All right, so for MVP, we only include 5 key features because they're really essential for the product to meet the product visions. And we allow users to book a museum, book the day, and finish the payment process. And besides, they could also browse different masterpieces and learn the story or history behind their work by reading those descriptions. So those all about our features and the main features for MVP. Now let's welcome Palak to introduce the metrics.
We have included 3 key matrices. One is browse the work of art, where customer would be able to search for the category of art they are interested in. Other is comment on a work, where visitors would be provided with a feature to add their comment so that work can get deserved appreciation or any feedback regarding required improvements. Another is subscribe to the artist. In this matrix, customer can subscribe to their favorite artists and get notified with their latest art of work. There are 3 key operational needs: development team, product team, and marketing team. Development team includes software developers. They will work on continuous development of improvement and maintenance of functions in the software. Software testers, they carry out testing of the software on the parameters such as functionality, performance, safety, and compatibility to assure the quality of product delivery. Operation and maintenance team, which is responsible for releasing new versions and continuously iterating online museum projects. Product team includes needs analysts. They will work on continuous refinement and improvement of customer requirements, and interface designers who will be responsible for user-friendly interactive pages to attract users. Marketing team contains market research group who will be responsible for researching about customer needs and preferences, and marketing staff who will promote products and let more users know our online museum and are willing to use our app.
Hello everyone, I'll let you know about the projected costs, operational needs, and the risk involved with this project. So I would like to tell you that there are like main 2 categories in the projected cost we have calculated. So the first one is the labor cost. Our labor consists of 6 developers, then 2 testers. 2 would be for operating and maintenance personnel, and there will be 6 product teams all across the project, and 4 marketing teams. And other teams, like there will be a finance team which would be really helpful in the finance side of the project. So yeah, this total labor cost goes to about $5 million. And the second category is the venue. That would include the site fees, then all the water, electricity, everything which is required for the operation and for the office, and other maintenance management fees. And these fees are calculated, and the total cost goes up to $2 million. And rounding this up, like both the costs, both the categories, we have a total cost of $7 million involved in this project. So there are 2 main risks which are there. First one is the cost. Since the product we want to create is an application that contains most of the famous museums around the world, and the cost might be really huge, and which I've told you, which is about $7 million. Furthermore, the data collection process will take a lot of time, since we need to consult a lot of principals of those museums to make sure which exhibits we can show in our application. Second risk would be the client acceptance, since most of our competitors recently are mainly using websites for their clients, and we do not know whether our potential customers will accept visiting museums through the mobile app. So, but in spite of this, like we do not think it's a big deal, since working and entertainment on mobile devices has become a trend recently. That's all about our project. Thank you.